In this video today, I'm gonna show you how to wildcard in CSS for classes. And if this is your first time here and you are focused to improve your coding skills, start now by clicking the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. First, let's create 5 div elements with different classes, but 2 of the classes will be similar. After we are done, let's style with wildcards our divs. Let's check in the browser and see those divs with selected class names are red. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, hit the like button and subscribe for more.